Hey there, welcome back to part two of this three-part drawing exercise. If you missed part one, I will link it down below, and if I can figure it out, I'll make a card appear up above so that you can catch the first part. This is a drawing I videoed in three 10-minute seconds, so 30 minutes total. And it's one I use just to kind of get things flowing, get my brain in touch with my hand again, and build a little confidence, because sometimes we all need that. And don't forget, where you're watching this video, this is real time. I've not sped it up. I want to give you an accurate sense of how long it takes and what can be accomplished, or at least how long it takes me to accomplish these things. It may take you more time or less time, and that's okay. Let it take that time. Don't worry about it. I'm going to put on some music, and I will continue to pop in when I want to add some information for you. Enjoy it. Jumping in here real quick to talk about what I'm doing right there. I'm making that little loop on top of everything darker because things that are darker will appear closer. So I want to enhance that feeling of dimension, and that's one way to do it. And I'm back. We've got about a minute left in this 10-minute session. I know when I'm doing these, time flies most of the time. Every once in a while it doesn't, but that's okay. At this point, or by the end of this, I'll have developed the darks as much as I can. The beauty about Vine Charcoal is you can move it around and lift it off almost completely, but that's also the downside, is that at some point you need to go darker. In order to do that, I'm going to have to use some fixative. I have a can of Grumbacher Workable Matte Fixative. You'll see it at the end of the video with the still clip. You could use hairspray if that's what you've got on hand. Go down to the dollar store, get you a cheap bottle of hairspray. Since we're working with newsprint and inexpensive Vine Charcoal, there's no need necessarily to go out and buy some fancy artist grade matte fixative if you don't already have it on hand. So use what you've got or get something inexpensive. Give your drawing at this point a light spray. And in the third and final segment of this video series, you'll see what you can do once that's fixed. See you soon.